Hey, what's up? It's Roy here. So today I have the Spigen Air Scan here for the Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 4. Now this is probably one of the more affordable cases that you're going to be able to buy because this is 29 bucks, which is actually the cheapest case so far that I have seen that is from a brand that is well known. So definitely follow my Amazon affiliate link down in the description if you are interested in picking this up. Now it does come in two colors. I have black here, but it also comes in clear. So as far as the packaging goes, it looks just like any other Spigen box, so definitely not going to waste too much time on that. So just like all the other ones, you pull the tab up and pull the content out, and everything comes inside this packaging here. So let's just go ahead and get this all pulled out, see what comes in the box. So it looks like here is we got you. So just kind of a smart lock technology type of thing. So I guess for like your phone and your vehicle, or if you have like a tablet, or so if you wanted to use it for your Z Fold 4 in your vehicle. It does come with some extra adhesive strips if you want to use them. And then there is some instructions here, which I will go over obviously when I install. And here it is, guys. So this is a very thin two-piece case. It reminds me very much of like the thin fit case because how small it is. I mean, it is very small. Got some Spigen branding there. Feels just like the thin fit. And then you have this very flimsy front for the actual screen. Now there is the little adhesive strips here that you will definitely want to use. So it's something that I've noticed with the Fold 4 is that you definitely need to use those versus just slapping it on. But you can do it at least without the back, but I'll go ahead and do it just for video purposes. I'll just go ahead and take off all the little covers here of the strips. So that way we get a nice seal. And whenever you install it on the back, literally you just install it like a normal case. So once you got it on, oops, looks like I missed one, which might make it a pain in the butt. So let's go ahead and let's peel those off real quick. So let me just take that off. Let's peel that off. Okay, now I got them all. So like I said, just install it like a normal case. Boom, boom, boom. Let the adhesive do its job, and there we go. And then kind of the same thing for the front screen. So take off all the little adhesive strips. So there's like 5 of them. So 1, 2, 3, 4, well, more like 7. So let's get them all off. Hopefully they don't just stick to my fingers here the whole time. And there's another one that I just noticed for the border. So now we have a whole entire interior of adhesive strips. And so all you're going to do is install it on the front. And like I said, you almost just install it like a normal case as well. So might be even easier just doing it with the actual phone open like this. Let me wipe it down real quick. And there it is, guys. So there is the actual case installed. Looks pretty good. I like the matte black. Feels good to the touch. Not a fingerprint issue, but definitely smudge issues like the thin fit. So just keep that in mind. When it comes to the look of the lips around it, it looks pretty good around the camera bump. So you definitely have some raised lips that are going to help protect those lenses very nicely. And then let's see here on the corners, kind of like that old school thin fit look. So you can see here we have the little slits there. And then here at the top, we do have some nice little cutouts there for the speakers and the microphones. And then this is the look of it on the side where the hinges. So as you can see there, kind of just matches up there and ends. Kind of the same here on this side too. And then, well, it looks like it's already lifting up. So did I not do this right? What's going on here? Well, I got the adhesive on there. So let's see if maybe I just needed to push it down and like hold it or something. That's the one thing that I don't like about these Z Fold 4 cases is, it's just so finicky right here, so it's just kind of on the edge, as you can see there. But man, unless it's like on there good, I mean, it's already lifting up, as you can see. I mean, just kind of the look there, see how it's bowing out. I can literally just push it with my finger and it's not staying on very well, so that's a little frustrating. But that's the look. So as you can see here, once you start opening that hinge, but when you do open it all the way, it does go up flush, but it's still doing it. So as you can see there, and I had all the adhesive strips off of it, so it's just not staying on. So that's pretty frustrating. Okay, well, let's move on. Let's go to the front here. Kind of hard to see, but it does have some lips. So as you can see there, definitely has a decent look to it. Very minimal as far as that front goes. And then at the bottom, that's kind of the look there. So you have a nice cutout for the USB-C charging port, the circular cutout for the microphones, and then that big old speaker grill there. And then on the side, this is the look of it. So that's the look. Got a nice little opening there for the power button and then our volume up and down buttons. So there is no buttons, it's just openings. So that way you got them exposed. So feels pretty good. So putting it face down, has a little bit of some shaking going on there. Back down, I gotta think it's the same. Oh yeah, super wobbly. But that's kind of to be expected with this bigger camera bump arrangement here. And then next, let's go ahead and just see how easy it is to maybe turn on the phone and kind of play with the buttons a little bit. So, not bad. Can get to the volume up and down buttons pretty easily as well. So no issues there. So not too bad there. So next, let me grab my Qi wireless charger here and let's see if it's wireless charging capable, which as you can see, it is. So definitely no issues at all wirelessly charging it. It's a very thin case, so I had to assume that, but you just wanted to make sure. So there it is, guys. There is the AirSkin case from Spigen for the Z Fold 4. Looks pretty good, but my only issue so far is just that front screen, just case part. It just, I mean, it will not stay on. And I see the adhesive, it just doesn't want to stick. So I'm not sure. That's a little crappy. So maybe for the $29 price tag, that's what you get. I don't know. But there you have it, guys. If you like the case or want to give me your opinion on it down in the description or in the comments, excuse me, let me know. But hit that like button if you liked the video. If you loved it, please subscribe. Ring that notification bell for up-to-date content. So be safe. God bless. We'll see you on the next one.